Introducing Flow Automator version 2.0. Flow recently released a major platform update that changed the website structure and overall system behavior. Because of these changes, the previous version of Flow Automator became incompatible and stopped functioning correctly. Version 2.0 has now been fully rebuilt to match the new Flow update. Flow Automator is currently the one and only Flow automation extension that works smoothly with the latest platform version. What's new in V2.0? Full compatibility with the new Flow update. Advanced stealth mode. Google Authentication support for all web browsers. Safe and optimized usage system. Bug fixes and improved stability. What's coming next? Image to video mode. Image to image mode. Many more powerful features coming soon. To continue using Flow Automator, please update to version 2.0 from the Chrome Web Store and refresh the Flow website. Thank you for your continued support. More major updates are on the way.